In this short tutorial, we're going to talk about how can you capture your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. To do so, open your PowerPoint program with a blank presentation and go to the Insert tab and select Screen Recording. Once you select Screen Recording, you get this small control box opened up. Using this control box, you can toggle on and off the capture of your mouse cursor. You can select to record your audio along with your video. If you want to keep it on, you can press this button. Currently, this is off. If you want to turn it on, just click it again. Using this screen area button, you can select a part of the screen to be captured. If you select this part of the screen, only the right hand side of the screen will be captured and whatever going on the left hand side will be ignored. So if you want to capture a part of the screen, you should go for this option. But for the current recording, I'm going to select the whole image because I'm going to capture full screen. Once you are done with the selection of area, audio option and your mouse cursor option, you simply click record. Once you click record, you can see window logo, key and window logo with shift and Q to stop recording. Once the recording is on, we can do whatever we want. So let's make a good shape here and try to let's do some writing. So this is a short recording, so I'm going to stop it now by pressing start logo key, shift and Q. So we are done. This is the recording which we did. So let's have a trial play. So this was recorded along with audio and video. So whatever we have done is already been recorded. A good option that Microsoft Office provides you is to format your video with a nice border. You can give a very good borders. Here are so many styles in the template. You can select any template to make your video look beautiful. So you can do this and you can make a border, or you can do brightness and color corrections and a lot of more things. Now if you want to export this file to an MP4 format, you can simply right click and save media as. This option will enable you to export this file as an MP4 video format file, which can be exported to Play Store devices and your cell phones and your laptops and your PCs, anywhere. So let's select this one. This is a media file and we can name it PowerPoint recording. Once you are done, click save. Let's see where it is. Here we go. PowerPoint recording. And if you want to play it, so let's open it with the MPC Media Player Classic. So it's done. That's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.